In a world of endless possibilities, every story has a beginning. Yours starts here with a single click. From the spark of an idea to the thrill of your first upload, YouTube is where creators come to life. Set up your channel, customize your space, bring your vision to the screen, join millions, share your passion, inspire your audience. Your journey starts with one click. Welcome to YouTube, the place where you belong.
Hey, I'm Kirill, and today is your big day. You finally decided to create your first YouTube channel. In this video, I will walk you through all settings perfect for complete beginners. We cover all critical steps and set up your success even until you upload your first video. This guide included all updates for 2024 and focus on the right things that really matters to start your channel. But the main important tip, stop overthinking. Stop putting it off. Let's start right now and turn your YouTube aspiration into reality. And welcome to the AI Director's Cut. Yeah guys, let's briefly speak about how to create your Google account. It's an easy peasy task. The only thing you need to know is you want to create a separate business account. You don't want to use your own account by several reasons. I will talk about this later. Here you can choose two options. Use a professional email with your company name or go with a free one at your mail account. I will take this one. The name of the account is better to use something professional because this email you will connect to your YouTube account and everyone will see it. I will use something like, for example, let's go with this one. You can randomly add something here, it doesn't matter. It's just a bunch of typical forms. Here we want to use the best options we have without any kind of numbers on symbols or stuff like that. Then the cleanest, better. So I choose here and go to the next. So do not use like easy peasy password. Come up with something original, but don't forget it. So the phone number. The phone number here is a crucial thing. Do not use some random number providers or SMS providers or one-time numbers because this one is very important for your security. If you forgot your password, you will use this number to recover it. So I go with this number, nothing secret because I just break the rule. I told you I'm using number from one-time password providers. Sometimes it's ask you to verify your number, but not in all cases. We just need to wait for verification number. So paste your number here, and if you want, you can put your personal email account for recovery purpose, but I just skip here. Next. Agree. And your account is ready. Now it's time to create your first YouTube channel. Click on your profile button, create a channel. And here is a very interesting and very important thing. We have to come up with a great idea for your channel name and for handle name. Try to not use your Gmail account name because for one Gmail account you can use like up to 50 different YouTube accounts. And here you want to put your YouTube account, but not your Gmail account. Let's change the vibe and think what our channel will be about. It is very important to think about the name. It should be easy to remember, it should be interesting, and people actually want to think about it, want to remember this, want to engage with you. Okay, it's not about the name, it's overall about the channel, but the name, the background, is kind of important part of your personal branding, of your channel branding, and overall your business idea you want to use around this channel. So picture this. You are scrolling through YouTube and suddenly you spot a familiar name. But wait, is it really the creator you are thinking of? That's why handle and name is important. You can use whatever name you want, but the handle must be unique. Think it's the way like there is my big countless channels name Awesome Log or Mr. Beast, but there is only one Mr. Beast or Awesome Log on YouTube. Channel name it's like your username for social media, but specially created for YouTube. It's almost the same. Channel name is appearing on every YouTube channel when you're opening, and also under the video when you're on homepage or you are searching something, you see video and you see a channel name under this. Let's go to our AI helper to create something cool, unique name for our channel. You can use ChatGPT or Claude AI, but the difference is Claude AI is better for writing. It's creating more deep, more engaging stories and scripts. And for my personal experience, it's better to use for YouTube automation, for script writing and some creative stuff. We can do two ways. It will work both for Claude and GPT. Principle is the same. We can just ask, okay, so we can use an easy prompt like, okay, I want to create a unique name for my channel. The idea of the channel is AI filmmaking. Come up with 10 cool and engaging names. Hit enter. It's not bad. It's very good list of names, but we can do it another way. We can use a special prompts I created. I can paste it here and we a little improve it and give an AI more information what we really want. This is better because it's allow an AI to think deeply and more creatively about the task. And in the end, you will have more interesting, more engaging and more unique names, information, description, whatever you're asking about. Giving first of all, you have to give you have to assign a role. You are a professional YouTube manager, you know everything about YouTube, how it works, you analyzed many channels, and you know what is better names, ideas, and so on and so forth. Telling him to ask you a specific questions, he will think about them and ask you, and it will help him to produce more quality information for you. So let's type here what we want. Yeah, let's copy this part and use here the idea of channels AI filmmaking, but I want to add more information. The more information you provide to prompt, the more interesting and unique and specific, very narrow names it will produce for you. But first of all, it will ask you questions. So in this case, it has only 2 questions. Your opponent focus more on technical aspect or okay, here we want to focus on both. Second, do you want to incorporate name on reference to your software engineering background? Yeah, actually for the second one, I really don't know. I want to see what he can do. So now we have an output with 10 cool names. He mixed it a bit. Yeah, they're very good, but we want to have more. We want to have more variations. And now we can do a trick, a very important trick. It's called a critic techniques. We ask an AI to criticize himself, to criticize and improve. He will criticize and then use this critic to improve the output. Just write, criticize and improve. And by the end of this, we will have 20 different names we can choose from. But actually, I prefer to look for the second output with more refined names. Smart Shots AI, Future Film Today, Film School with Kirill. The second one I think is very cool, the Future Films Today. For educational purpose, and let's use this name for our channel, just paste it here and try. Okay, maybe we can Future Films Today. Oh, unfortunately it's not available. If your name will be more unique, you just can use it like this, with this without numbers or symbols. Then hit create channel. Congratulations guys, now we have our first unique YouTube channel. It's a start of our journey, and next I will show you how to brand it, how to make more interesting, more visible and more unique. We will create a background, a profile picture, and a very important thing is a description. Let's go. But before we go to the fun stuff, we have to verify your channel first. So go to YouTube Studio first, then go to the settings, go to the channel settings and feature eligibility. The very important thing is to verify your phone number to unlock mission critical things like uploading the videos longer than 15 minutes and using a custom thumbnails. So click verify Here the thing, per one channel you can use only one number. If you already used your number in some different YouTube channels you already have. If you don't, just put your number you used for creation a Google account. But for people who doesn't have unused phone number, there are different solutions on the internet. It's one-time numbers, it's verification services, and so on. I do not have any affiliation with any of these services, but I can show you overall how they work. Let's go to this one of these services. You need to top up your balance and then find your service you want to verify. In this case, it's Google, Gmail, and YouTube. I tried to use Philippines because they have a lot of one-time numbers and it's quite cheap, 11 cents per one verification. You click in get and you have this number you can use, but you have to wait 1.5 minutes until the number will be loading. So copy this number, go to our YouTube studio. You don't require to use the same country as you use for your Google account. Next, and we wait for verification code. So after verifying your account, you will unlock all this feature. And this is the first step to a level 3 verification. But this is more advanced feature. It's more for monetized account and we will talk about later. But congratulations, now we can go to the fun stuff and create branding for our YouTube channel. Let's go. Now let's move to the fun part. We will create a picture and a background for our brand new YouTube channel. For this purpose, we will use 3 different elements. First of all, our Claude AI, which will generate prompts for 2 different AI models. First of all, I will show you how to create stunning images using Leonardo AI. The second one, we will use the same prompt to create images in Midjourney. You can see I used Midjourney to create images for introduction for this video. Let's start with prompting. I'll copy a script to Claude AI. The main idea of this prompt: you are a professional graphic designer. You know everything about branding for YouTube channels, and I need you to write most suitable prompt for AI generation models to create a logo for my new channel. Then we have a description what we want to create. My channel name is Future Film Today and the main niche is AI filmmaking. I'm teach my viewers about cinematography and how to combine knowledge with AI. Next we're adding some instructions. The logo should be simple but unique and memorable and catch the viewer's eye at the first look. And if you have questions, please ask before answering. It's our basic strategy. So hit enter and it asks you some questions to specify the image. Do you have any specific color preference? The second question, any particular symbols, icons to avoid? No, I don't have any preference. For the third one, something balanced. Is there any specific style you draw, minimalist, abstract, or retro futuristic? Actually, I really don't know. Let's try. I don't know. I will see what it suggests. It could be. So we have a basic response here, but it's not quite a prompt. And we need to ask Claude to make it a prompt like. Yeah, let's try with this one. If it will not work correctly, we will ask to improve it. First of all, let's try to create this one in Leonardo AI. We'll use the latest Leonardo Phoenix model with ultra settings. And here we have to choose aspect ratio 1:1 because it will be a logo for our channel. I'll pass prompt here and hit generate. We want to generate 4 images at once because we want to compare different styles. And also the main idea is to try to use different models, different preset styles to have as much output as possible to choose from. Let's try HDR and illustration and we will see the difference. And before moving to the next model, I will want to see what we have here because maybe we don't even need to change the model. Try Midjourney too. Prompt, select square, it's 1:1. Okay, here is good. Let's see what it can do for us. So Leonardo is finished our generation. Let's see what we have. It's quite interesting. It's so many interesting options we have here. Feature today, feature film today. Actually, I love 2 of this. This one and this one. Let's try to add a little bit of refinement here. Go to upscale model, Alchemy. Leave medium here because for this particular model is best option. And the same we will do with this one. Same Alchemy, medium, upscale. It will refine and a little bit improve these pictures with some details. Let's look at this. Maybe this one, minimalistic, is cool, but overall, no. Let's change settings here. Stylization, it's 200, like 300, 61 square. You can use personalize if you already did personalization. To do a personalization, you have to go to personalize and start teaching. It will give you images you choose from. So basically, it's try to come up with idea what style and what kind of images you like. In the end, after at least 200 choices, you will unblock this personalized button. You have to consider your personalized style and mine will be different because we like different styles. So it's finished here. Future today. There is some problems with the text, but I'll show you how we can clean it if we decide to go with this one. By the way, I forgot to look at this, guys. Also, I like this one. Let's do the same. We need to have different options to choose from because next step is very important. Pretty interesting choices. Actually, I like, let's go with this one. I'll upscale here, go to upscale and creative. We'll wait here until it upscale. While we're waiting, we need to do one more important step here. Let's go to universal upscaler and load all images we like. It was this one. I have to choose between two different styles. Choose Alchemy upscaler because we did a refinement before, and here I would rather go with legacy mode because for creativity upscaling is much better. I did different tests. From my perspective, legacy mode for creative upscale is much better. You click cinematic here, 5 is okay. You don't need the picture of more size, but you want to refine it. Click upscale and let's do it for other images too. It was, which one it was? This one, I think. This one, Alchemy upscaler. Now, download this image and we do the same with this image in Leonardo. Go here, add image, but here we need to upload image to get started. Take this image, open and upscale too. So, what I want to show you, you can see the difference. A little bit, you can see in small details here. It's not huge changes, but it's trying to add more depth and more quality for images. The same with this one. Just look at your images and you will see the difference. And we'll wait for the last two. So let's look at this one. Get them more crisp. You see more details. Just move here. Oh, now we have to make a choice. Which one is better? I think these colors, I like these colors more. And I think this image, but we have to think about one thing. Let's go to our channel, customize channel, and look here. It's recommended to use a picture at least 98 by 98. So what does it mean? It will be hard to upload this type of images. So my choice in this case will be this image. I'll download it. I'll go upload universal upscaler image. Yes. You see the editing file must be 4 MB or less. What can we do in this case to have the same quality of 4K smaller image? Here we can go to ChatGPT. And there is one cool feature ChatGPT has and Claude doesn't. You just upload the image and you tell ChatGPT resize to less than 4 MB. It do its resizing job, and after this you will have resized image you can upload without any problems. Just download, you'll see actually it's even less. Yep. So we have a very cool, a very nice picture of our channel. The next step is very important too. We want to have a banner. With banner is a little bit trickier because for different devices it shows differently. I will show you example. Let's try to use some random picture from my lab. You can see the picture is, but for different devices you have different area. Only on TV, viewable on TV, you see the whole screen. For mobile device, you see only this centered part, and for desktop, almost the same but wider. That's why it's very important to create the picture that will fit these restrictions. So let's go to Claude. Now let's go with the banner part. We create a new prompt here and paste the same dialogue. Okay, great, I need to create a banner for my channel, make this suitable for YouTube banner. Hit enter. Now we can copy and paste it in Leonardo AI and just wait a bit. This one is good. This one is good. Let's see what else we have. This one is interesting too. Feature films today. Okay, let's go with two options. Let's refine this one, Alchemy, refine, and this cool one, and we will see will they fit in our banner channel size. Yeah, this for mobile device this looks good. For desktop too. Yeah, it will be cut it a bit, but almost future films today is in a scope. Okay, we can go with this one 100%. And what about this one? Let's download it and check before we will upscale it. I know this one is not suitable. Okay, let's go with the first one. Go to upscaler, image generations. Which one it was? I think this one. Legacy mode. We need it up to 6 MB. So we will just refine a bit details. Yeah, cool. Now hit publish and go to the channel. Sometimes it required a bit of time to process all images. Just wait a little bit. Yeah, now our channel looks amazing. But the last thing we have to do here is to add a description. But here's the thing, only 80 characters we will see here. Nobody really reading this, but it's good for channel optimization and for SEO. Let's move to this part and generate SEO-optimized description for our channel. Okay, let's move on to the description part. How you can see on other channels, this is like a title under your channel name. It contains around 80 characters or so on, and it's very important to pack it with valuable information. Don't speak about who you are, speak about what is channel about, and also pack it with keywords as many as possible. Let's go to Claude AI. I have here a prompt, you can find it under the video too. What's the changes? You are a professional YouTube manager, you know everything about channel description. Write a description for my channel according to provided information. Here we passed our part from a channel creation script, and also we add as only first 80 characters available for viewers, make them most important, and so on and so forth. Let's see what we have. Okay, AI filmmaking, cinematography, future films today, learning about video creation. Yeah, actually it sounds great. The first 80 characters is good. Discover the cool edge world. Yeah, I like this. I like this, but we can see another version. We just, as always, use criticize and improve prompt. It's very important to remember to ask ChatGPT or Claude AI to criticize himself. In most cases, it provides much better results. Change a bit the first part, filmmaking revolution, cinematography, it's AI, feature films today. I would not agree with this completely. I would use this one as a first. I'll show you. Let's copy it to our channel. Customize your channel, and here you can see description part. But instead of doing this, we remove here and we put it under. So, revolutionize your filmmaking with AI-powered cinematography techniques. This sounds reasonable for more people and it could be interesting. Hit publish and we'll see how it looks on our channel. Revolutionize your filmmaking with AI-powered cinematography techniques. Wow, if I'm interested in this topic, going to this channel and see this amazing banner, this Future Films Today name, and revolutionize your filmmaking with AI-powered cinematography techniques, for me, as a target audience, is a perfect match. It's a perfect match, is a very good channel. The last thing you need to do is pack it with a very interesting, very useful content. About this, we will talk in our future lessons. Hey, I'm glad you watched this video to the end. It is very important to you to see all the process I showed you in this video. It could be not a perfect speech. I'm just trying to figure it out how to speak better, and For non-native speaker like me, it's not very easy as a beginning, but the very important step is I showed you very important principles of creating your first YouTube channel. The main idea, nobody's showing you how to create an art. Your channel is an art, your channel is a face. When people come to your channel, they see a banner and you see the logo and they decide, okay, is a channel for me? Is a channel resonates with me? And then they start watching your videos. But nobody telling how to do this, how to do a good brand for your channel. And that's it. If you're interested in more video, I have an introduction video. You can see it here. And also subscribe to my channel and I will create more interesting videos for you. I hope you enjoyed. See you.